Hey guys, it's Daniela. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am back with another come decorate with me Christmas decor video. I'm actually going to be decorating one of Target's cube organization shelves. I don't know if it's a bookcase, I don't know if it's a shelf, but whatever. I have it placed in a hallway. I have it right now just with a couple bins to store random things that I have, but I want to go ahead and just decorate it a little bit to make it a little more festive and more pretty to look at. So I thought I'd bring you guys along and see what I'm gonna do to decorate this area. So if you guys want to see what I'm gonna be doing and you want to come decorate my house with me, make sure that you keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get decorating.
Alright, so these are the items I'm going to be using. I'll actually be reusing some items that I used in my previous videos because I got rid of my bookcase. Alright, so here is the empty area. As you can see, it's very boring. So I'm going to just decorate it and let's make it pretty. I'm going to start by using the chicken wire jugs. Then I'm going to take my cranberry stems, and I had to cut one of the cranberry stems down to fit the smaller jug. And then I'm just going to put them in the jugs and fan them out. Alright, so next I'll be using this potato sack and this little plant that I already had. I'm going to put my plant inside of this potato sack to just dress it up. I think it looks so cute. I'm not really into the rustic look, but I wanted to create a little rustic area. This plant right here I picked up at Ross a few years ago for only 50 cents. It was on clearance and I thought it was so pretty. Next, I'll be using this vase that I picked up at Dollar Tree and this little pick that I actually made in my last video. I'll link that below if you want to watch that. Then I grabbed the bigger potato sack and I filled it with paper and I just sat it on top of this little chair that I had. Next, I'm going to be using the vases from Dollar Tree. I actually use these in another video as well, along with the candles. I'm going to take this pick and I'm just going to set it right in the middle there to give it that Christmas look. Then I'm going to take this shadow box that I actually created in one of my Dollar Tree videos. I'll go ahead and link that below. And then this vase from Dollar Tree along with another pick that I made. I'm going to set that right next to my shadow box. And then last, I'm going to take this little pick that I'm pretty sure I purchased at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to set it inside of this plant here. I think this area came out perfect. It's just the look I was going for. I wanted to go with like a soft, rustic vibe. I wanted to use some natural items. I love the wood touches and the rugged feel that the potato sacks gave it. Anyway, let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.